In the late 1980s, a small broom closet in Indiana became the birthplace of a global brand. A young man named John Schnatter believed pizza could be better than what the market offered. He was working inside his father's struggling bar at the time. The business was failing and needed a new idea to survive. There were no investors supporting him. There were no consultants guiding him. There was only a recipe and a belief. The first pizzas were made behind the bar. They were simple but carefully prepared. The dough was fresh instead of frozen. The sauce was made from real tomatoes. The cheese was chosen for quality rather than cost. Cut Part 2, the idea. The success was not accidental. It was built on a clear idea about quality. Schnatter believed ingredients defined the product. If the ingredients were better, the pizza would be better. Fresh dough replaced mass-produced bases. Vine-ripened tomatoes replaced processed sauces. Real cheese replaced artificial blends. This changed how customers experienced pizza. Pizza became something people talked about again. It became something people compared and judged. Better ingredients, better pizza. It was easy to remember, it was easy to understand, it was easy to believe after tasting the product. The message spread through advertising and word of mouth. Customers associated the brand with quality. Quality created trust. Trust created loyalty. Loyalty created long-term growth. Demand grew faster than anyone expected. New stores opened across different cities. Franchising allowed rapid national growth. Local owners invested in their own communities. Standardized training ensured consistent quality. Recipes were tightly controlled across locations. Supply chains were built to support expansion. Distribution centers ensured fresh ingredients everywhere. Technology improved ordering and delivery systems. Online ordering arrived earlier than many competitors. Customers could order pizza with a few clicks. Convenience accelerated growth even further. International markets soon became a priority. The brand entered Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Cultural adaptation became part of the strategy. Menus were adjusted to local tastes. Operations followed strict global standards. Quality control teams monitored every region. Brand consistency became a competitive advantage. Papa John's presence became globally recognizable. Marketing campaigns reinforced the quality promise. Sponsorships increased brand visibility. Sports partnerships connected the brand to youth culture. Growth became the dominant internal objective. A local business became a global enterprise. The pizza market was already highly competitive. Large chains controlled most of the market share. Domino's focused heavily on speed and delivery time. Pizza Hut focused on family dining and scale. Papa John's positioned itself as premium fast food. Each brand targeted a different consumer identity. Advertising budgets increased across the industry. Price competition intensified during promotions. Discount wars pressured profit margins. Innovation became necessary for survival. New crusts and flavors were constantly introduced. Limited time offers drove short-term traffic. Customer loyalty programs became widespread. Digital platforms transformed ordering behavior. Mobile apps replaced phone calls. Data replaced intuition in decision-making. Storytelling replaced simple price advertising. Brand image became as important as taste. Reputation became a strategic asset. Public perception influenced financial performance. Competition extended beyond food into culture. Pizza became part of lifestyle branding. Inside a Papa John's pizza kitchen, quality starts before the oven is even turned on. The day begins with strict food safety checks and temperature logs. Ingredients are inspected for freshness, appearance, and storage conditions. Dough is prepared according to standardized measurements and timing. Water temperature is controlled to keep dough fermentation consistent. The dough is mixed until it reaches the correct elasticity and smoothness. Portioned dough balls are weighed for uniform pizza size and bake. They rest under controlled conditions to develop structure and softness. Work surfaces are cleaned and sanitized before each production cycle. A dough ball is pressed and stretched into a consistent round base. Docking removes air pockets to prevent bubbling during baking. Sauce is portioned using measured ladles for consistent coverage. The sauce is spread in an even spiral, leaving a clean crust edge. Cheese is weighed to the standard target for melt and stretch. Toppings are portioned by weight, not by guesswork. Ingredients are distributed for balance in every slice. The pizza is checked visually for symmetry and correct build. Bake time is monitored to match crust color and cheese melt. The pizza exits and rests briefly to stabilize texture. A final quality check confirms cut, shape, and appearance. Slices are cut evenly using the standard cutting pattern. The pizza is boxed with heat management in mind. The product is handed off for pickup or delivery, consistent every time. After baking, the pizza moves to the finishing station. Staff inspect crust color and edge consistency. Cheese melt is checked for even coverage. Topping placement is visually verified. Any pizza outside standard is immediately remade. Temperature is measured to ensure safe holding range. The pizza rests briefly to stabilize texture. Steam escapes to prevent sogginess inside the box. Cutting blades are sanitized between batches. The pizza is cut into uniform slices. Edges are checked for burn marks or underbake. The box is folded according to airflow design. Vent holes manage moisture during transport. The pizza is placed centrally in the box. Liners protect the base from condensation. Timestamps are applied for freshness tracking. The order ticket is attached to the box. The pizza is moved to the pickup shelf. Hot holding units maintain safe temperature. Orders are sorted by delivery route. Staff verify address and order accuracy. Drinks and sides are added if ordered. The full order is assembled for handoff. The delivery bag is preheated. The pizza is placed inside for transport. The pizza reaches the customer at peak temperature. The box is opened for the first time. Steam rises, releasing aroma. The crust texture becomes visible. Cheese stretch signals proper melt. Toppings appear evenly distributed. The first slice is lifted carefully. The base supports the toppings without collapse. The customer inspects appearance and smell. Taste confirms quality expectations. Salt, acidity, and fat balance the flavor. Temperature remains comfortable for eating. The pizza is shared among family or friends. Conversation begins around the table. The meal becomes a social moment. Packaging keeps remaining slices warm when reheated. Leftovers retain quality when reheated. Customer satisfaction is recorded mentally. Positive experience builds brand trust. Trust influences repeat orders. Customer feedback enters the system. Ratings are recorded digitally. Comments are analyzed by category. Taste feedback influences recipe adjustments. Delivery feedback influences routing systems.
Our Net Promoter Score saw a
Packaging
significant
feedback
bump in
improves
Q3,
box
largely
design.
driven to the improved delivery
Temperature
times we implemented
feedback
in April.
improves
And how does that
insulation.
break down regionally?
We need to
Speed
optimize this
feedback
congested area
improves
around the
staffing
stadium.
I'm
levels.
adjusting the parameters now.
Complaints
There.
trigger
Calculated 12%
investigation
faster.
workflows.
Excellent, let's move on to the next
Quality
quadrant.
reports
Verify
are
the temperature
reviewed
on these
daily.
tomatoes first.
38.
Trends are
Steady.
monitored weekly.
Packaging on the flour looks intact.
Menu tests are
Excellent, we
launched
are clear to
regionally.
approve this shipment. I really like
Successful
how the red
items
box on
are
this one
scaled
is
globally.
What if we adjust the gloss level?
Unsuccessful
Maybe a
items
matte
are
finish
retired
instead.
quickly.
Let's compare it to the sustainable.
Training
These
updates
trends
follow
show
feedback
improvement, but the
patterns.
feedback on speed is still
Supply
lagging.
changes
Thoughts
follow
on how to address
ingredient
the weekend
reviews.
rush? We could staff an extra
Technology
driver during
updates
peak
follow
hours.
We need
usage
to integrate
behavior.
the loyalty data with the new
Customer
creative.
data
Exactly.
informs
Target
marketing
frequent buyers
messages.
with this new concept.
That's where the
Promotions
synergy
follow
happens.
seasonal
Look at this
demand.
mock-up.
Pricing adjusts to market conditions. Inventory adjusts to demand curves. Waste is minimized through forecasting. Efficiency improves over time. Quality stabilizes through control. The system learns continuously. The recipe is not just ingredients. It is a system of control and feedback. It is consistency across thousands of locations. It is discipline in every small step. It is technology supporting human effort. It is speed without sacrificing care. It is freshness protected through logistics. It is flavor preserved through process. It is
One large
safety
pizza,
ensured
hot
through
and ready
monitoring.
for you.
It is
Perfect, thank
improvement
you.
driven by data. It is service shaped by feedback. It is culture built around standards. It is reliability over time. It is adaptation without losing identity. It is growth without losing control. It is brand without personality dependence. It is product over promise. It is execution over slogans. It is systems over individuals. It is learning over perfection. It is how Papa John's Pizza is made.